Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unpacking something absolutely electrifying, the epic opening ceremony of the 2026 World Cup. If you really want to understand how a single event can capture the absolute peak of global unity, look no further than this. We're talking thousands of dancers in vibrant traditional attire, massive sweeping flags, and a spectacular anthem that kicked off this historic tournament. Through the lyrics of this epic show, we're going to tell the story of a world united by the beautiful game and explore exactly how this awe-inspiring ceremony brought the entire planet together onto one stage. Right out of the gate, the opening ceremony hooks us with a punchy, unmistakable call for worldwide connection. There's no long, drawn-out introduction here. It's just an immediate pulse. One game, one world. The stadium completely echoes with this chant, instantly stripping away borders and languages to focus on the shared heartbeat of the sport. It sets the tone for an explosive celebration where everyone listening, no matter where they're from, is invited to jump right into the global chorus. Section 1. A spark of global unity. So before we even get to the individual superstars or the competing nations, the display establishes its core theme right away. This is all about shared human emotion. As vibrant pyrotechnics and laser lights literally flood the stadium, that chorus, one fire burning in every soul, one game, one ball, one goal, becomes the unifying heartbeat of the whole tournament. It totally transcends geographic borders. Because whether you're playing on a dusty street corner or in a multi-billion-dollar stadium, the fundamental elements are exactly the same. One ball, one goal, and the passionate fire inside the people playing. It is the ultimate equalizer. Section 2. The Americas draw the line. From that universal spark, the ceremony takes us on a magnificent geographic journey, starting right at home with the host regions and the fierce passion of the Americas. Notice how the lyrics beautifully pair legendary players directly with the pride of their nations. We've got the USA on the run and Canada's Alphonso Davies stepping up to wear the crown. Fun fact from the source material, Davies was actually born in a refugee camp in Ghana before becoming Canada's soccer beacon. I mean, talk about a true global journey. Then the anthem sweeps south to South American royalty. Argentina's Lionel Messi, who don't back down, the legendary Heat of Brazil, and Colombia's James Rodriguez bringing the golden beat. They're using these massive names not just as athletes, but as literal avatars for their country's hopes and dreams. In the midst of this rapid-fire roll call, the anthem brings us back to the center. One fire, higher, higher. This recurring lyric serves as a natural rhythmic reset. It's a moment to just breathe and take it all in. The ceremony uses this pause to keep us anchored to the central theme of unity as the stakes keep building. The energy is rising, but it's all feeding into that same singular global flame. Section 3. Europe lights the way. Okay, with the foundation firmly set in the Americas, the momentum dramatically shifts across the Atlantic into Europe, bringing out some of the most historic powerhouses in the sport. These are the true heavy hitters. You've got Kylian Mbappe lighting the way for France. You have the timeless legacy of Portugal's Cristiano Ronaldo, who is never done, standing in sharp contrast to the surging new generation represented by England's Jude Bellingham, signaling they have just begun. Throw in Spain, a nation famously born to play, and you have a continent bringing an almost intimidating level of prestige to the stage. And the European roll call just keeps going, keeping the energy incredibly high. We hear about Germany's electric flow, the Netherlands' ability to absolutely steal the show, capped off by the undeniable roar of Belgium's Romelu Lukaku. But the performance doesn't just stick to the usual suspects. It rightfully nods to the iron will and magic of Austria, Switzerland, and Turkey. The sweeping continental tour shows exactly how deep the talent pool is, with so many fiercely competitive flavors of football colliding in one place. Actually, before we move on, let's pause to reflect on this incredibly poignant lyric. Every star, every fall, every tear on this road was building the fire. You know, the journey to the World Cup stage isn't just a highlight reel of victories. It's paved with universally understood struggles, heartbreaks, and hard-fought triumphs. That shared vulnerability, the tears and the falls, is exactly what makes the eventual fire burn so brightly. It connects us to these athletes on a deeply human level. Moving into Section 4, Stars Across the Globe. Having covered the Americas and Europe, our explainer expands the map even further. Just watch how the energy builds as the anthem proudly showcases the incredible reach of the sport, spreading rapidly through Asia, Oceania, and the Middle East. We've got Japan bringing the Eastern Fire, and Australia making their mark. The lyrics sweep across the sea to New Zealand and respectfully acknowledge the proud and free spirit of Iraq. It is a brilliant testament to the fact that soccer reaches into literally every single corner of the globe. Next, the spotlight shifts to the African nations and their legendary heroes.
We see Egypt's Mo Salah crowned the King of Kings, and Senegal's Sadio Mane celebrated for his heart of gold. The anthem honors Morocco as built to last and Tunisia as brave and bright. The lyrics are making a powerful, undeniable declaration right here. Africa is truly here to stay, bringing an unmatched vibrancy and golden talent to the game.
And we absolutely can't forget the nations fighting to make their name known. The ceremony specifically points out rising stars like Panama and Honduras. When the colorful flags of Curaçao and Jamaica wave side by side with the giants in the stadium, it creates this deeply moving display of island pride. This is the magic of the tournament right here. It proves that on this massive global stage, every single country, no matter its physical size, brings its own unique, vital energy to the mix. As we approach the climax of this massive global roll call, the narrative energy ramps up once again with an infectious, repeating chorus. Every nation, every street. Feel your heart. Feel the beat. The ceremony is pulling all these disparate threads, from the islands of the Caribbean to the historic streets of Europe to the vibrant eastern fires of Asia, and weaving them back together into a single pounding rhythm that shakes the entire stadium. Finally, Section 5. 48 Nations, One Dream. So, this brings us to the unprecedented scale of this event and the ultimate unifying message of the opening anthem. The absolute crucial point is this massive number, 48. 48 distinct, competing nations. 48 entirely different histories, cultures, and languages, all stepping onto the pitch. Yet, through the magic of the tournament, they're coming together as one cohesive, connected world. The source material beautifully merges all those individual fires we just spent time exploring into a single, unstoppable dream. 48 nations, 48 fires, one ball, one dream that never tires. It perfectly encapsulates the whole shebang. You have the intense, fiery individuality of each competing nation, but they are completely bound together by the shared dream of lifting that trophy. And that leads us to the deeply resonant concluding lyric of the anthem. From Mexico to Montreal, we bleed the same, we love the same, beautiful game. It's an incredibly earnest concept that drives home exactly why we watch. Because beyond the spectacular goals, the bitter rivalries, and the complex tactics, sports serve as the ultimate universal language. When that whistle blows, our shared humanity just takes over. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a final thought to chew on. We've seen how this beautiful game unites 48 nations on a massive global stage. But how does this shared passion for the game bring your own community together? Look for that unifying spirit, that single fire, within your own neighborhoods, your own local pitches, and your own living rooms. Because in the end, it really is one world and one beautiful game. Thanks for